everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life. Today I'm going to share you my kind of spring roll or lumpia, and it's all vegetable. This is my ingredients: the spring roll wrap and carrots and a sweet potato and a cabbage and of course a singkamas, but in English I searched it. It says singkamas is actually known as jicama, and they said it is a Mexican potato of the Mexican turnip. Scientific name is Pachai rhesus. Of course, anyway. And my beans sprout, or in Philippines we call it toge. And I fried it into a garlic and an onion. So this is all my ingredients: the garlic, the onion, carrots, the cabbage, the bean sprout, the singkamas, the sweet potato, and the spring roll wrap. Okay, so let's start to cook now. And this is our potato. Look at that. This is the first one to cook. We fry this one in a very hot cooking oil. So when we put it in the other ingredient, this already cooked, because this is not easy to cook if we are going to add together on the vegetable. It's hot now, so we start to put now. After we fried our sweet potato, we have to put in here, so the cooking oil will soak into this tissue, and then we start to do our other ingredients, just to have a little bit brown. It's like you are cooking French fries. So this one will be crispy, and the singkamas, and of course the toge. If you have a deep fryer, this will be very quick. And now we start all the ingredients to fry. You have to add some oil, and we have to add our garlic, our onion, Now our carrots. You just let it fry for 1 minute. And then now our cabbage. Now I have to add the chicken root cubes. And a pinch of salt. 2 pinches of salt. And a 2 pinches of pepper. Ground pepper. Just let it cook for 1 minute. And then now the singkamas. Don't let the singkamas really cook, because when you eat this, it will be a little bit of crunchy, like the potato. This also crunchy, you can see. See that? And then now the bean sprouts. These should be a lot. And the last one is our sweet potato. So, and now it's ready. While we wait for our vegetable to drain, I put it here so it will drain, that because there's a little bit of water, a little bit, and I have to one by one the spring roll, because the spring roll is not yet ready for putting one by one, so I have to do it now. And my spring roll wrap is big, so I do it like this, one by one. So now it's ready. I have to wrap now. And it's still hot. You can still see the smoke. Do it like this, and this could be a big spring roll because I have a big wrap. I could not find a small one in the grocery store. And then we have to put a little bit of water in here to hold the wrap. It's okay, it's big one because inside is already cooked, so we don't have to worry. And this will be a lot, but I have to put it in the fridge, so by the next day we have again.
Now it's time to fry our spring roll. I put oil on the pan to make it hot and we start frying it.
So this is my spring roll, and this is my sauce, and this one is just a vinegar with garlic, chopped garlic, and salt, and ground pepper, and a little bit of sugar. So I show you. It's hot. Oh, it's hot. Look at this. With the sauce. Show you the inside. Get the inside. Ooh. You have to dip in here. It's so crispy. You do this in your home. Very easy. It's crunchy. Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you!